Hello again everyone, my name is Brynjar Amundsen, your Norwegian language teacher. Let's talk about another modal verb. That's very tricky, can be a little bit tricky to use. This one is the verb for necessity, something that needs to be done. That's the function. We're going to talk about that and how to express it. Well, a lot of people express this quite easily. You just use the one for a more, right? You could probably guess that, right? But people tend to get the wires crossed a little bit when they try to translate it, because you have the English, I had to do it, I have to, right? Then if you go the translation route, takes a little bit longer, takes more on you as a person trying to talk while doing that. So think about it like the necessity. Try to get that type of feeling ingrained into you. Try to think about that and process that a little bit. And here the tenses are very important to make sure you get those correctly. So I know the Norwegian letter is in there, or, so you gotta hit that a little bit heavy. More, and then of course, because it's a modal verb, you remove the å after it. Jeg må hente dem I dag. Eller, let's see, leksene må gjøres I løpet av dagen. Jeg må gå til butikken. Jeg må dra på jobb I morgen. Things that you must do. This is the necessity part of it. A lot of people with the connection of må and must in English, easy transition, not a problem to use, but here is the one I hear a lot of people are not using, and it makes it very hard to function and to talk that much, is the past tense of it. It's the MÅTTE. Here it has the å, two t's and an e, so this creates that the å, there's a little bit, the vowel of å is a little short. Så jeg måtte gjøre det. Still, it's the past tense, I know, but the rule of a modal verb still applies. So you will remove the å after it. Jeg måtte lese det, jeg måtte gjøre det I går, jeg kunne ikke dra dit fordi jeg måtte se på den forelesningen, eller jeg måtte kjøpe nye sko I går. All the things out of necessity, then all just go straight for the past. Try to connect that. So good tips for remembering these: make sentences by yourself. And I always prefer making real sentences with language learning, because that makes it a little easier, right? And you can kind of get more into that in specifically, right? Jeg måtte se på det tidligere, jeg måtte gjøre det, or then combining them, right? Jeg må gjøre det nå, jeg måtte gjøre det I går egentlig, men jeg må... See how you can flip those. It goes fast when you get the hang of it. So just keep practice. Practice makes perfect, as I always say. So yeah, until next time, thank you guys so much for watching.